puppies, how are you? I see some of you are getting ready to climb out of your pen. Did you guys climb out of your pen today? Let's see you. Come on. Come on, puppies. Let's see how you climbed out of your pen today. Let's go. Come on, little ones. Come on. Hey, cuties. Hi, cuties. Oh, are you getting ready to climb out, little guy? You ready to climb out? Which one of yous are gonna try to climb out? Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Hi, cuties. Hi, cuties. You're learning to walk around a bit now. Hi. Hi there, cuties. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Here you come. Good puppies. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, cuties. Gonna be one of the last days for your little pen. What do you think, Gretchen? No keeping them down anymore. They're starting to play with each other. Today, the first two climbed out of their little whelping area here. So when they start doing that, that's when they start eating real little puppy food. So tomorrow, they'll start getting their first meals. What's the matter? You tired of being in that little area? Yeah, it's both puppies. This little guy is almost ready to jump out. What do you think, Gretchen? You're going to have no rest here really soon. Okay, here are Gretchen and Voyager's puppies. This is their first trip out of their little puppy pen. They're starting to explore all the shoes and everything else here by their little pen. Hi, puppies. Who are you, little one? You want to come out? Here. Come on this way. Here. Good. There you come. There you come, baby. Hi. Hi, cutie. So all you can see of this little guy is his tail going. He's the explorer. Hi, guys. Are you exploring all over the place? Hello. All the rest of them are here in my lap. I can't really see you guys here. You're too close. Here. What else you got? Come on, little guy. There you go. Hi. Hi, little one. They just all want to be in my lap right now. Hey, guy. Look at your little tails going. Oh, cuties. Oh, cuties. What about you? Hi. You're very cute, too. What are you doing over here? Come here. Come on. Come over here with the group. Hi. Hi, little guy. Okay, these are the 3 little boys. They keep wanting to come up. Okay, here's the 3 little boys. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. How are you? You're so cute. 3 little boys. 3 little boys. I know, you just want to be in my lap. Here are the 2 little girls. Hey, babies. Hey there. Oh, hi, cuties. Hi, cuties. Stay. Stay, puppy. Stay, puppy. There, pretty girls. Hi, cuties. Stay there. Stay, pups. Hey, little guys, are they getting you? Are they getting you? Oh, I'm gonna go exploring. Go exploring over there. Puppies. Puppies. Hello. Puppies. Hi. Hi, guy. Starting to explore around, starting to eat a little bit. Go back in there, babies. Oh. Puppy playtime. Puppy playtime. Hi, puppies. You gonna all get into it? Are you gonna all get into it? Hmm? Who's that? Who's that looking up here? Hi, cutie. Uh-oh, somebody's getting the tail. Uh-oh, right for the ear. Here's puppies trying to get a meal. Oh. It's starting to keep Gretchen. Better have a little break from them for a little while every day. So now they are really hungry. They get to be this age, they don't give mom any rust. Gretchen, your nose is right in the way.